Welcome to Decor Tricks, where smart design meets everyday living. If you've been dreaming about giving your kitchen a fresh, modern makeover, you're in the right place. A well-designed kitchen is more than just a place to cook, it's where functionality and beauty come together to create a space that feels truly yours. In this video, we're going to explore some of the best modern kitchen remodel ideas. From sleek cabinet styles to clever storage, smart layouts, and those finishing touches that make all the difference, every idea here is crafted to help you turn your kitchen into a space that's efficient, stylish, and timeless. So whether you're planning a full renovation or just refreshing a few key features, get ready for design inspiration that fits right into modern living, without overcomplicating things. A modern kitchen starts with a layout that feels open, calm, and uncluttered. Instead of crowding the space with too many upper cabinets or bulky furniture, the goal is to let the room breathe. Open floor plans are ideal. They create smooth transitions between the kitchen and the rest of the home, making the space feel larger and more connected. One of the easiest ways to achieve this is by keeping the design simple. Stick to clean lines, limit visual distractions, and prioritize functionality. Open shelving or a single wall of cabinetry can replace rows of overhead cupboards, creating an airy and organized look. Everything has its place, and nothing feels too busy. It's not about making the kitchen feel empty, it's about creating balance and flow, so cooking and gathering feel effortless. When the layout works well, the entire kitchen becomes more enjoyable to use every day. When it comes to modern kitchen remodels, cabinet style is one of the most defining features. Flat panel cabinets, also known as slab style, offer a clean and contemporary look that instantly modernizes the entire kitchen. Their smooth surfaces and simple profiles create a sense of order and calm, which works perfectly in a minimalist or modern setting. Neutral tones like matte white, charcoal gray, or soft beige help keep the look timeless and versatile. But natural wood tones like walnut, oak, or ash can add a warm, organic touch while still feeling sleek. The beauty of flat panel cabinets is that they don't compete for attention, they let the materials and layout speak for themselves. One of the easiest ways to modernize a kitchen is by removing bulky hardware. Handleless cabinets offer a clean, seamless look that instantly makes the space feel more contemporary. Whether it's push-to-open systems or recessed grooves, these designs allow cabinets and drawers to blend into the background without losing functionality. This minimalist approach pairs perfectly with soft-close technology. Not only does it eliminate noise, but it also protects the cabinetry over time. No more harsh slamming, just smooth, quiet movement every time. Together, these features create a kitchen that looks sleek and feels effortless to use. It's a small upgrade that makes a big difference in both style and comfort. A key element in any modern kitchen remodel is the use of integrated appliances. Built-in ovens, panel-ready refrigerators, and concealed dishwashers are designed to blend in with the surrounding cabinetry, creating a more cohesive and streamlined look. This design choice helps the kitchen feel less like a workspace and more like a natural extension of the living area. Instead of standing out, appliances become part of the overall design. Even microwave drawers and hidden range hoods are finding their place in modern layouts. The result is a clean, uncluttered visual that doesn't interrupt the flow of the room. It's a smart way to bring both beauty and efficiency into your everyday kitchen experience. A spacious kitchen island is often the heart of a modern kitchen. It's more than just extra counter space, it becomes a multifunctional centerpiece for cooking, casual dining, entertaining, and even working from home. With the right design, it can completely transform how the kitchen is used day to day. Consider islands with built-in storage, hidden outlets, or even open shelving for easy access to everyday items. Waterfall countertops, where the material flows over the sides, add a sleek, sculptural element. Whether you're prepping dinner, having coffee with a friend, or helping with homework, a well-designed island supports it all, while anchoring the entire space with style and purpose. Backsplashes have evolved from purely functional to a major style statement in modern kitchens. Today's designs go beyond basic tiles, embracing clean lines, bold textures, and creative layouts. Think large format slabs, vertical stacked tiles, or even single sheet materials like quartz or glass that offer a seamless, easy to clean surface. Neutral tones like soft gray, beige, or white keep things timeless, while geometric patterns or subtle textures add just enough personality without overwhelming the space. A modern backsplash ties the whole kitchen together, acting as both a protective layer and a design feature that elevates the entire look. It's one of those small updates that can completely refresh the feel of the room. Lighting plays a huge role in shaping the atmosphere and functionality of a modern kitchen. It's not just about making things visible, it's about layering light in a way that enhances the space. Start with recessed ceiling lights for general illumination, then add under-cabinet lighting to brighten work areas like countertops and stovetops. Pendant lights over the island add a decorative touch while creating focused task lighting. Warm, soft LED bulbs help the kitchen feel inviting without being harsh. And if possible, incorporating dimmer switches allows for full control, bright when you need it, soft when you don't. A thoughtful lighting plan not only improves usability but also brings warmth and depth to the overall design. In a modern kitchen, every inch of storage counts. Clever storage ideas keep the space organized and make daily routines smoother. Pull-out pantry shelves, deep drawers with built-in dividers, and corner carousel units maximize often overlooked areas. Vertical storage for baking sheets, cutting boards, and trays helps reduce clutter, while tall cabinets take advantage of ceiling height for extra space. These smart solutions keep everything within easy reach, maintaining a clean, open feel without sacrificing functionality. It's all about making the kitchen work harder for you, without overwhelming the design. Bringing natural materials into a modern kitchen adds warmth and character without sacrificing sleekness. Think wood accents on cabinets or open shelving paired with stone or concrete countertops. These elements introduce texture and depth, creating a balanced look that feels both inviting and sophisticated. Mixing materials, like combining matte cabinetry with a glossy backsplash or a rough-hewn wooden island, adds visual interest and prevents the space from feeling flat. Incorporating textiles such as woven baskets or linen window treatments can also soften the overall look. This thoughtful layering of textures keeps the kitchen modern but never cold, blending the best of nature with contemporary design. A modern kitchen remodel is all about finding the perfect balance between style and functionality. By focusing on clean layouts, sleek cabinetry, integrated appliances, and thoughtful details like lighting and storage, it's possible to create a space that's both beautiful and practical. Natural materials and mixed textures add warmth, while smart design choices keep everything feeling fresh and inviting. Whether updating a small kitchen or planning a full renovation, these ideas can help transform your space into one that truly works for your lifestyle. Thanks for exploring these ideas with Decor Tricks. Here's to creating kitchens that inspire and delight every day.